What is a data lake? Imagine you have a big storage room at your home where you throw everything in, like old bills, photos, clothes, tools, and documents, without actually organizing them first. That's very similar to how a data lake works. A data lake is a place where we store data exactly as it comes from different sources without changing its original format. It can be structured data like tables, semi-structured data like JSON, or unstructured data like images, videos, and logs. The key idea here is that we don't force structure upfront. We store first and decide how to use the data later. A useful way to think about a data lake is like a real lake. Rivers flow into it from everywhere, carrying all kinds of water. You don't clean the water before it enters the lake. You clean and filter it only when you take it out for use. This approach gives a lot of flexibility, especially when business requirements are unclear or keep changing. In Azure, this is usually done using Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, and in AWS, it's done using S3 buckets, where raw application data, logs, clickstream events, and files are stored cheaply and at massive scale. In real projects, data lakes are often used as the first landing zone for data coming from applications, databases, APIs, and streaming systems. The advantage of a data lake is low cost and flexibility. But if you don't apply proper structure, governance, and naming conventions, over time it can easily turn into a data swamp where data exists but no one trusts or understands it.